Hello friends, welcome to SF Mentor. I'm your teacher, and in this video I'll tell you how to remove a specific object from your video. As you are watching that in this video clip, some guys are busy in their gossiping, and in the very beginning we are watching that an older couple is sitting over there and busy in talking, in discussion something. So we want to remove these objects from this video, guys. If you want to learn, then don't skip this video, because every step of this video is very important if you want to remove any specific character from your video. So without wasting further time, guys, let's get started. First thing that you have to do, just duplicate your layer, press Alt and click drag upward. Now you have duplication, and now select the above layer, guys. Above layer, don't select the beneath layer. Click above layer, select above layer, and you have to apply opacity mask. Here guys, this side you have opacity panel, and from opacity panel you have to create ellipse mask. So what should you do? Just click ellipse mask and your mask is present here. The character, the object you want to remove from your video, just place your ellipse mask on that. Okay, now just increase the feather of your mask up to 30, and the other thing, mask expense up to 10. I think that is right. Click on mask and you can see your mask over there. Now guys, what you do, hit the toggle animation of this mask and again mask 1. Now you have to play your video. If there is any movement and your characters, I think in this video there is not any specific movement among the guys. That's it. Now guys, invert your mask. You have applied mask. Now invert your mask. You can watch over there, inverted. Invert, check mark it, your mask will be inverted. Here you can't see anything, so if you want to see anything, then the beneath layer you have to move a little forward, and you can see that your mask has been applied. Oh guys, mask is applied. Now the color of the mask is black. You want to remove that specific object from your video. For that, drag back your layer, and the beneath layer, guys, what you have to do with the beneath layer, just click and make a picture. Here guys, check import into project. If you do not check this, then your picture will be imported to the desktop of your computer. So if you check this, then your picture will be imported into your project window as well as on the desktop of a computer. Now click OK. Your picture is here. Now guys, remove the beneath layer, just delete, and apply your picture. Just you capture. As you are watching that couple is busy in talking and your object is silent, stagnant. Oh guys, now what you have to do with that, open it, just right click on it and add it in Photoshop. Oh guys, now you have to edit this picture into Photoshop. Just very easy, not very complex. Keep patience and watch. Click OK. Here your picture. Now you want to remove these object from your picture. Just guys, click Lasso Tool and first remove this one that is standing. Create a close circle around your picture and click Edit, Fill, Contents. Guys, there are many options, but you have to choose Content Aware, Color Adoption, Mode Normal, Opacity 100%. Okay, don't check Preserve Transparency. Okay, just click OK. Your object is removed. Now press Ctrl D to deselect it and make a circle around these guys. Okay guys, try to make circle just carefully around the object you want to remove. Click Edit, Fill, and again the same options you have to select it and press OK. This object also removed, guys. Now guys, Ctrl D to deselect and Ctrl S to save the changes you have made in your picture. Just close your Photoshop and come to your video. As you can watch that your specific object is removed as you are watching in this video. Okay friends, a very short tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something very specific. Try, practice, and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and choose all options so that you can get the latest upcoming videos notifications. See you in next video guys. Goodbye.